If you want to make trending short videos for YouTube, here are some steps you can follow. Identify the type of short videos that are currently trending on YouTube. You can search for the most popular videos in the shorts category or look for videos with a high number of views and engagement. Choose a niche or topic that you are passionate about and that aligns with the type of short videos that are currently trending. Plan your video before you start filming. Write down a script or an outline of what you want to include in your video. Keep in mind that short videos typically have a runtime of 15 to 60 seconds. Use eye-catching visuals and graphics. Since your video is short, you need to capture your audience's attention quickly. Use bright colors, interesting animations, and engaging visuals to make your video stand out. Keep your video concise and to the point. Short videos are meant to be easily consumable, so keep your content brief and straightforward. Try to convey your message in as few words as possible. Use relevant hashtags and keywords in your video's title and description. This will help your video appear in search results and increase its visibility. Share your video on social media and other online platforms. This will help you reach a broader audience and increase your chances of going viral. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and be creative. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and formats until you find what works best for you. Good luck.